In an era where economic battles are increasingly fought on the manufacturing floors and in the boardrooms, the latest salvo fired by the European Union against Chinese car manufacturers has stirred a hornet's nest of controversy. This an anti-subsidy probe targeting Chinese car giants like BYD isn't just a business strategy, it's a full-blown assault on China's burgeoning dominance in the electric vehicle EV market. Critics argue that this isn't just protectionism, it's a desperate ploy by a rattled Europe trying to cling onto its slipping automotive supremacy. Remember a few days ago, China also targeting European-made drinks. Now Europe has decided to also target more Chinese products. The US isn't far behind, wielding tariffs like blunt weapons in this increasingly heated trade war. Some say these actions reek of hypocrisy and fear, as the Western giants grapple with the unsettling reality of China's unstoppable rise in the EV sector. But is this really about fair play, or is it a thinly veiled attempt to stifle competition under the guise of regulation? As tensions mount and the global automotive landscape teeters on the brink of a revolution, one thing is certain: this drama is far from clear. Stay with us till the end as we unravel the layers of this unfolding saga, stripping it down to its bare, controversial truths. Hello and welcome back to Innovative Check YouTube channel, where we delve into the innovative and transformative projects changing our world. If you are new to the channel and enjoy learning about innovation stories around the world, you've come to the right place. Please subscribe, like, and comment to help boost our videos on YouTube. In recent years, the automotive industry has witnessed a significant shift with the rise of electric vehicles (EVs). This transition has been further accelerated by the aggressive growth of Chinese car manufacturers, particularly BYD-based Your Dreams, which has recently surpassed Elon Musk's Tesla in global EV sales. The company's surge in the EV market is not only a testament to China's growing influence in the automotive sector, but also a trigger for various economic and trade responses, especially from the European Union and United States, in the journey to this drop. The EU's initiation of an anti-subsidy investigation against Chinese car manufacturers can be seen as a strategic move to balance the competitive dynamics in the automotive sector. This probe is a response to China's growing dominance in the EV market, spearheaded by companies like BYD. The EU's concerns are not unfounded, as BYD's business model and pricing strategy pose a significant challenge to European car manufacturers. Just a quick reminder to hit the like button below. YouTube has been restricting my videos a lot recently because of bots, so your like does help out this video massively in terms of the algorithm in YouTube. BYD's success can be attributed to its unique approach to vehicle manufacturing. The company is known for its vertical integration strategy. This means that BYD controls most of the production process, from mining the raw materials for batteries to manufacturing the battery technology, consumer electronics, and even the seat fabrics and exterior paints used in their vehicles. This integration allows BYD to significantly reduce costs, giving them a competitive edge in pricing. Michael Dunne, CEO of Asia-focused car consultancy Dunne Insights, emphasized BYD's unmatched pricing, stating that no one can match BYD on price, period. The EU's move to target Chinese-made cars through anti-subsidy investigations raises several questions. Why would the EU want to remove subsidies from Chinese-made cars? One plausible reason is the threat to the European automotive industry's competitiveness. The aggressive pricing and rapid technological advancements of Chinese manufacturers could potentially disrupt the market dynamics in Europe. This action by the EU seems to be in retaliation to China's own investigations into European products. For instance, China has initiated anti-dumping investigations on European wines and brandy. This tit-for-tat approach in trade practices reflects the growing tensions between China and the EU in the global trade arena. The US has also taken steps to protect its automotive industry from the influx of Chinese-made EVs. The US imposes a 25% tariff on made-in-China EVs in addition to a 2.5% tariff on imported cars. Despite these high tariffs, BYD's competitive pricing still poses a challenge. For example, BYD's launch of the Seagull AV in China at approximately $11,000, and its plans to export more affordable models globally signals the company's intent to penetrate markets despite tariff barriers. The strategic positioning of BYD and other Chinese carmakers poses a significant challenge to traditional automakers in the US and Europe. In an interview with CNN, Ford Motors Executive Chairman Bill Ford Jr. expressed concerns about American automakers' readiness to compete with Chinese EV manufacturers. He acknowledged that Chinese companies have developed quickly and are now looking to export their products. The success of BYD can also be attributed to the leadership of its founder and CEO Wang Chuanfu. Described by Charlie Munger, Warren Buffett's longtime partner at Berkshire Hathaway, as a natural engineer and production executive, Wang's ability to rapidly innovate and reduce costs has been a key factor in BYD's growth. The evolving landscape of the global automotive industry, marked by the rise of Chinese EV manufacturers like BYD, has led to significant economic and trade responses from the EU and the US. The ongoing investigations and tariffs are indicative of the growing competition and the strategic measures being employed by these regions to protect their automotive industries. As the market continues to expand, the dynamics between these global powers will likely continue to shape the future of the automotive industry. If you are enjoying this video so far, please don't forget to subscribe, share the video and comment. The response of the EU and US to the rise of Chinese EV manufacturers like BYD is multifaceted, reflecting broader concerns about market competitiveness and trade practices. The EU's anti-subsidy probe into Chinese car manufacturers is a clear indication of its efforts to safeguard its automotive sector. This move is not just a reaction to the competitive pricing of Chinese EVs, but also a strategic measure to maintain a level playing field in the industry. China's approach to the EV market, particularly with companies like BYD, is disrupting traditional automotive manufacturing and pricing models. BYD's vertical integration strategy, which allows it to control most aspects of production, is a significant factor in its ability to offer lower prices. This strategy not only challenges the pricing structure of European and American car manufacturers, but also raises questions about the sustainability of traditional automotive business models in the face of such integrated and efficient production processes. The situation becomes more complex when considering the ongoing trade tensions between China, the EU, and the US. The EU's anti-subsidy investigation can be seen as a countermeasure to China's own trade practices, including its investigations into European products like wines and brandy. Similarly, the US's imposition of tariffs on Chinese-made EVs is a protective measure for its domestic automotive industry, which is still adapting to the rapid advancements in EV technology and production. BYD's potential entry into the U.S. market through Mexico, where it is considering establishing a manufacturing plant, is another strategic move that could circumvent existing tariffs. Mexico's free trade agreement with the U.S. and Canada provides a potential pathway for BYD to access the U.S. market. This possibility has raised concerns among U.S. lawmakers about Chinese automotive giants gaining indirect entry into the U.S. market. The challenges faced by traditional automakers in the US and Europe are further underscored by the remarks of Ford Motors' Bill Ford Jr., who acknowledged the rapid development and scale of Chinese EV manufacturers. The entry of these manufacturers into global markets is not a question of if, but when. This impending arrival signals a significant shift in the global automotive landscape, requiring traditional manufacturers to rapidly adapt and innovate to remain competitive. The leadership of BYD's Wang Chuanfu plays a crucial role in the company's success. His cost-cutting and innovation-driven approach has not only made BYD a formidable player in the EV market, but also set new standards for automotive manufacturing. The comparison of Wang's skills to those of Elon Musk by Charlie Munger highlights the level of admiration and concern in the industry about the capabilities of Chinese EV manufacturers. The traditional dominance of American and European car manufacturers is being challenged by Chinese companies that offer advanced technology at more competitive prices. This shift is not only reshaping the competitive landscape, but also forcing established players to rethink their strategies in design, production, and marketing. As the world moves towards cleaner and more sustainable modes of transportation, AVs have become the focal point of this transition. The rapid advancements in battery technology, coupled with the increasing awareness of environmental issues, have accelerated the adoption of AVs. In this evolving market, BYD's strategy of vertical integration Cost-effective production, time, and aggressive pricing makes it a significant threat to traditional automakers. The response of the EU and the US to the rise of Chinese EV manufacturers is also reflective of broader geopolitical tensions. The ongoing trade disputes between China and these Western powers are not limited to the automotive sector, but span a range of industries. The automotive sector, however, represents a critical area of economic and technological competition, making it a focal point for these tensions. The future of the global automotive industry will likely be defined by how well traditional manufacturers adapt to these new challenges. The rise of Chinese EV manufacturers like BY is pushing American and European carmakers to accelerate their own EV strategies, invest more in research and development, and rethink their global supply chains. Moreover, the ongoing trade tensions and investigations highlight the need for a more collaborative approach to global trade. While protective measures are essential for safeguarding domestic industries, they also run the risk of escalating into trade wars that can have broader economic repercussions. A more balanced approach, focusing on fair competition, innovation, and cooperation, might be necessary to ensure the sustainable growth of the global automotive industry. The EU's anti-subsidy probe into Chinese car manufacturers and the US's tariff barriers represent a significant moment in the global automotive industry. They reflect the challenges and opportunities presented by the rapid rise of Chinese EV manufacturers. As the industry continues to evolve, the responses of traditional automotive powers like the EU and the US will be crucial in shaping the future landscape of global automotive manufacturing and trade. Thank you for your attention, and I welcome your thoughts and questions on this complex and vital subject. Do you want to watch more videos like this one? If yes, please like and share the video, and subscribe to get exclusive videos about how phenomenally China is developing and growing its influence. Your subscriptions and likes motivate us to generate more content, so please keep supporting us. Check out this video showing on your screen right now, and I will see you on the other side.